छुट्टी का दिन, ऐसे में कौन है हमारा हमसफर? फुर्सत के पल किसके साथ बिताना चाहते हैं हम? उसी के साथ जिसके साथ हर पल हंसी खुशी से गुजर जाए, है ना?
Hi everyone, today we're gonna talk about mise en scène. Please forgive me if my pronunciation is not correct because mise en scène is a French term which means placing on stage or director's staging of a play. Often in film studies, this term refers to everything put before the camera in preparation of filming. There are three major aspects of filmmaking that are also components of staging a play. The settings. The setting is the place where filmed action occurs. It may be a set, a constructed place used for filming, or a setting may be a location, a real place that is not built expressly for the filmmaking. The subject being filmed, usually actors or people as themselves. And the last, composition, the arrangement of the settings, lighting, sound, and subject, and the list is never ending. To understand more about this topic, so what I did, I just created a very short scene where I have requested my younger brother Rocky Massey to act in it, and thanks to Rocky, so he agreed. And so what I'm trying to show that I'm using three different lighting conditions, not three, actually two, but three different sounds I have used, a background music, which makes a big difference. You will see and you will notice. So first scene I will show you where I am recording. I have shot under the tube light, regular house lighting condition. And then second, I have just used a very pocket friendly, I'm not gonna say cheap, a very pocket friendly light, OSAKA Mark III. That was my first light when I started vlogging. I bought from Amazon. So I'm not gonna say it's cheap, it's a pocket friendly light. Obviously you can do a lot with that. And using a very old bed sheet, white colored, to soften the scene. And the house lamp, it's a table lamp, I'm using that. So I have created a small scene, like a setup. I just made a small setup, and I have purposely put those two statues to connect with the story, to connect with the song background music, which you will see. So there is a song in the last video. The song is, it's a very old Hindi film song called Abhi Na Jao Chhodkar, and it means that don't go right now. The lover is, or boyfriend is asking to his girlfriend not to leave right now. So I'm connecting that song starting with those two statues where I have purposely put the female figure, that face, female face statue, away from the man, so it can just, I'm trying my best. Every director has their own creativity, the style of creativity to show a story or to tell a story, you know. So I have just turned the face away, so I'm trying to show that that girl is not happy, and then that there is some misunderstanding or some fighting happening or quarreled, something like that. So I'm trying to show that. So I have connected with that song and the situation with that guy who's sad and in a depression mode or drinking too much. And also I'm not using alcohol, it's apple juice, so please don't use alcohol, it's not allowed. Obviously it's not a paid production, it's just for exercise. So I'm just trying to show how lighting and sound makes a big difference. And obviously when you grow, even I'm also learning. I can't say that I'm fully become a professional or something. I'm still learning filmmaking and it's a long journey. Let's see. I hope you will like this tutorials or whatever I have created to make you understand about mise en scène. So please, if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Whoever is learning filmmaking, I will make some more videos like this. And also I just wanted to mention, I forgot, I have used Redmi Note 10 Pro Max for this video. It's kind of a review also of this phone, and I'm using Filmic Pro app. So one scene you will see the big difference between colors and that grainy look of film. So you will see that there is a title below that Filmic Pro and Max Pro. And in fact in this phone, in this Max Redmi, I always forget the name of this phone, Redmi Note 10 Max Pro. So there is one good option. It's very fun option of movie. If you go to the setting and there is an option of movie, so when you press that, those two black cinema bar comes. It gives a nice look actually. So I have shot in that mode also. And no color grading, especially for Redmi Note 10 footage, but with Filmic Pro I have done some color grading, so you will see the difference. And please hit the like button. I'm sorry, I'm requesting, I'm forcing you. I'm not forcing you actually, I'm so sorry. So please hit the like button and enjoy the video. Thank you.
रविवार का दिन, छुट्टी का दिन, ऐसे में कौन है हमारा हमसफर? फुर्सत के पल किसके साथ बिताना चाहते हैं हम? उसी के साथ, जिसके साथ हर पल हंसी खुशी से गुजर जाए, है ना?
अभी न जाओ छोड़ कर कि दिल अभी भरा नहीं, अभी न जाओ छोड़